Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a poll on Facebook in an event to engage with your attendees. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages you follow. Tap on Menu at the top right corner. Now tap on Events to view all your Facebook events. Here you can explore ongoing and upcoming events. Tap on Your Events to see events you're hosting or attending. Open any event where you want to create a poll. Make sure you have permission to post in the event. Scroll down and tap on the Messenger group chat. This opens the event group. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom left, then select the poll option available there. You can edit and create multiple answer options for your poll. Add as many choices as you want for event attendees to vote on. Customize all your poll options as you like. Now add your poll question in the text box. Make it clear and relevant to your event. For example, what do you like for the drinks? Once everything looks good, tap Create Poll at the bottom to publish your poll. And that's it. Your poll is now live in the Facebook event, and attendees can start voting. And that's how you create a poll in a Facebook event. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook event management and engagement tutorials. Thanks for watching.